To be honest, I know, because during the relationship in the beginning, I was made to believe that this side chick was just a friend, and then yeah, that what I felt was not real, that I was just acting jealous or crazy. So when I found out about it 3 weeks ago, I felt validated, like, oh my god, justice, oh my god, it's real, oh my god, I was right all along. Imagine all these years I felt like parang, diba? Parang I was gaslighted. So yeah, I was right, my intuition is right, and you know what, the truth, no matter what, comes out in so many ways. So there, lumabas din. He blames everything, everyone but himself. Yeah, he was able to convince his friends and people that it's my postpartum. And there's also one. Well, okay. He's convinced that an ex-girlfriend made him kulam. Like, there's all of a sudden there was this bowl of salt with garlic in it, and me and my friends and helpers before, like, ano to? Like, bakit may ganyan? Ba't may salt? Bakit may bowl of salt with garlic? And then sinabi ng isang katulong, ay, pinalagay dyan kasi daw baka may nang kulam. So, parang pang-antay kulam. So, blame it on the kulam. Vexed. Witchcraft. Gang mabuang dyan ko. Ito time. So, dungan ani nga time sa toyo garlic. Sa garlic salt niya. Nato time nga gipa-blessing ang balay. So, the next day, siya dito yung nakick out. Kina-issue ang BPO. So, insang evil spirit.
Siya.
Natawa na naman dito. Nagkatawa dun dito na halda. Susato pa siya dito. Evil spirit kay gahapon, gapa-blessing na nagpabutang adtong asin o kuan. Huwag tangan siya kalit. Okay, nandito yun. Baka explain, may di ba? Hindi kapon? Huh? So anyway, paka-explain kung ano yan sa mga may alam ng mga white magic, black magic, whatever.